Usap-usapan ngayon sa social media ang pambabastos di umano ni Nawat Istagsil kay Miss Universe Mexico. Alamin ang dahilan kung bakit nangyari ito.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Be True.
Naging sentro ngayon sa social media ang nangyayaring kaguluhan sa Miss Universe ngayon. Naghahanda na kasi ang lahat para sa darating na Miss Universe. At sa hindi inasahang pangyayari. Nangyari ang insidente sa sashing ceremony kung saan nagbigay ng mensahe ang Executive Director ng Miss Universe na si Nawat Istagsil. Sinabihan niya itong dump ang Miss Universe Mexico sa harap ng fellow delegates. Nasabi di umano ito ni Nawat dahil wala di umano si Miss Universe Mexico sa isang sponsored photoshoot. Dahilan na napahiya ito at nag-walk out. Sumama na rin ang ibang delegates dahil hindi din nagustuhan ang naginawa ni Nawat. Gayunman sa kabila ng lahat, nilinaw at humingi ng pamanhin si Nawat sa nangyaring insidente. Dahil gusto lamang di umano niyang magawa ang kanyang best at ang 5-star service. Narito ang ilan sa mga statement.
You have all my respect. I truly love Thailand. I respect all of you. I think that you're amazing people. But what just your director did is not respectful. He called me dumb because he had problems with the organization. And I think that's not fair because I'm here and I do everything okay. I don't mess with anyone. I just try to be kind, to give my best. And he just shot me and he just said to me and shut up on a lot of different things. And I think that the world needs to see this because we are empowered women and this is a platform for our voice. And no one can shut our voice and no one will do that to me. And I don't have a problem with any one of you. You have my respect and I love your country. But the way that he treats me without any reason just because he has problems, that is not okay. And I hope that everyone at home, every woman, doesn't matter if you have a big dream, if you have a crown, if that's take away your dignity, you need to go. Thank you.
Palakpak po sa inyong lahat. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagbibisita at pag-effort na rin na magkomento. Pasalamatan din po namin kayong lahat naming minamahal na viewers. Nag-comment man po kayo o hindi, na-appreciate po namin ang inyong pagbibisita. Taos-puso po naming pinapasalamatan ang inyong ibinahaging oras upang mabisita ang aming munting channel. Saan man po kayo naroroon, mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Malakasang palakpak po sa inyong lahat. God bless us po at maraming salamat.